Did you know that Neanderthals might have been the first fashionistas, wearing parkas, pants, and boots to survive the cold? Neanderthals, our closest known relatives, have always fascinated us with their stocky bodies and huge heads. Despite being seen as the black sheep of the Homo genus, Neanderthals share a surprising amount of DNA with modern humans. Incredibly, Neanderthals cared for their disabled comrades, showing a sense of altruism and community. A Neanderthal child named Tina, who likely had Down syndrome, was cared for by her community, highlighting their compassion. Neanderthals were skilled engineers, creating sticky tar in controlled environments to fashion weapons. Their burial practices were unique, with Neanderthals burying their dead in various positions in caves. Neanderthals looked a lot like us, with reconstructed faces showing striking similarities to modern humans. Some Neanderthal groups were isolated for thousands of years before going extinct, living just weeks' walk from other groups. Male Neanderthal DNA has vanished from the modern human genome, raising intriguing questions about interbreeding. Neanderthals were likely absorbed into modern human groups, with their genes persisting in us today. Our health is affected by Neanderthal genes, influencing everything from fertility to susceptibility to allergies and diseases. Neanderthals did disappear due to human violence but were outcompeted by our vast social networks. The last Neanderthals likely made their final stand in southern Iberia around 37,000 years ago. Neanderthals created an early glue factory, showcasing their intelligence and ability to collaborate. Modern humans and Neanderthals buried their dead differently, marking their territory and claiming resources. Neanderthals' long history of interbreeding with humans is evident in our shared DNA. Despite their extinction, Neanderthals live on through the genes they shared with us. Neanderthals' keen sense of fashion and survival skills highlight their adaptability and ingenuity. Their compassion and care for the disabled reveal a deep sense of community and humanity. Neanderthals' legacy continues to shape our understanding of human evolution and our own genetic makeup.